In today's video, I am going to teach you how to create checkout forms in Jotform using Claude AI. Start by going to Jotform and logging into your account. Once you are inside your workspace, open Claude AI in your browser as well. Having both tools ready will make the process smooth and quick. Before generating the form, take a moment to define your checkout form goal. Decide what you are selling and what information you need from the customer. This usually includes customer details, billing information, shipping details, an order summary, and payment information. A clear goal will help Claude AI create a form structure that is more useful from the start. Next, in Claude AI, enter this exact prompt. Create a checkout form directly in my Jotform account with structured sections for customer details, billing and shipping information, order summary, and secure payment. Make it clear, streamlined, and ready to use. After Claude AI generates the form, return to Jotform and locate the new form in your account. Open it and review the layout carefully. Check that the sections are organized in a way that makes sense for the customer journey. If needed, add checkout-specific fields. This can include product selection, quantity, pricing, discount codes, billing and shipping address fields, and the customer's preferred payment method. Make sure the form collects everything required to complete a transaction clearly and accurately. Once the fields are in place, arrange the form in a logical order. Start with customer information, then move into billing and shipping, followed by the order summary, and finish with payment. This sequence helps keep the checkout experience clear and easy to follow. After that, customize the form by editing labels, adding instructions, and marking important fields as required. Keep the language simple so users know exactly what to enter at each point. Next, adjust your form settings. Enable your preferred payment integration and review confirmation messages and email notifications. These settings are important because they help automate the checkout process and keep both you and your customers informed. Then preview the form and test the full checkout experience. Go through each section as if you were a customer. Confirm that the form works properly, the totals are correct, and the payment section is functioning as expected. When everything looks right, publish the form. You can then copy the direct form link or embed it on your website, depending on how you want to share it with customers. Thanks for watching. That covers everything you need to know.